Solo, no mojo, I bounce back, no pogo, unhappy, no homo, new brands, no logos. Money on my juggler, natural hustler. Think I need a smuggler up in Russia. It could be the butler, shine my cutler. Shout out to Oyenda, that's the guzzler. Okay, next thing, my life is a wet dream. I call it a sex scene. The bag is a nice tease. I tried to escape. My life is an X-ray. I'm sorry, a sex tape. You only get one take. Quiet on the set, please. Everyone. Okay, roll it. Anxiety. 3, 2, 1. Anxiety. People trying me. Feel it quietly. Trying to silence me. Yeah. Anxiety. Take it up for me. Somebody's watching me. It's my anxiety.
This bed is so tea, but this is $39. This will not be seeing me. No.
People trying me, I feel it quietly, trying to silence me. My anxiety gets shaking over me. Somebody's watching me, and my anxiety. Solo, no mojo, I bounce back, no pogo, unhappy, no homo, new brands, no logos. Money on my juggler, natural hustler. Think I need a smuggler up in Russia. It could be the butler, shine my cutler.
Resort is so cute. We on the adults only side. They do have a family side, but we in the adults only. I'm definitely coming to this lobby to take some pictures. And yeah, let's get checked in because it's already going on 4 o'clock and I need to get in some water.
Are you ready to cheers?
Now this is the room. This room is pretty big and it's green. It's giving nature, and then this is out here is the swim out. This is a swim out, super cute. The pictures I'm about to eat down, but it's hot, so we're about to change and I think get in the swim out and book reservations. Y'all, look at the bathroom. I love this mirror. This mirror is really cute. Look, I look a little dark. Look at this mirror, y'all. This mirror is tea, y'all. And then we have the shower over here. I'm kind of living for the shower. I think he eats. I think he eats now. To see how much I weigh, because I haven't weighed myself in like so long. I don't think it's on. Wait, how you turn this on? It's glass though.
My anxiety.
Yeah, we stopped at a cave. It might be a little loud, but they have Dominican Macy's by Nicki Minaj, a gift shop, and then they have 7-Eleven. And this is like their little food stand right here. It's so cute. Okay, y'all, so we going, God bless you. We going into the cave. I'm not getting in the water because I cannot swim. And they said it's 25 feet deep, so you won't catch me in the water. So I'm just going down to get to view. Hola. Hi. Can I pet you? No? He don't like people. He's sad. You want some food?
No.
Can I pay you? I'm scared. I don't want him to bite me.
Yo, what's up?
Hi.
What's up? What's up?
How are you?
Bro.
You're so cute. Y'all, look at the birthday outfit. Wait. So it is currently raining outside, which I'm so bummed about. But like, y'all, look at my hands. It's giving the girls. It's giving tea. And this is the outfit. I think I want to do the no straps though. I think I want to put the straps down. But the skirt is tea. The hair is long. But it was irritating me. And we got dinner at 9 o'clock. But I'm about to go take some pictures. I'm so mad I didn't bring my stand to hold you guys up. But I'm going to try to get a good angle. So I'm going to try to get something good for you guys to stand up on. So y'all, look at my birthday gift. Tea. Period. Y'all, this is the lobster cream. I wanted the lobster, but they were saying 45 minutes, but I was convinced to get it. But this is the lobster cream. It's just a soup. It's not bad, but I want a lobster, so I'm gonna get a lobster. But it's really cute though, and it actually tastes good. It doesn't taste bad with some bread.
No mojo, I bounce back, no cocoa, unhappy, no homo, new brands, no logos, money on my juggler, natural hustler, and I need a smuggler up in Russia, it could be the butler, shine my cutler, shout out to Oyenda, that's the guzzler, okay next thing, my life is a wet dream, I call it a sex scene, the bag is a nice tease, I tried to escape, my life is an x-ray, I'm sorry, a sex tape, you only get one take, quiet on the set please, everyone, okay rolling.
Now this is what I'm eating today. I didn't get much. I got hash browns, plantains, eggs with ketchup, bacon, and then I got fried chicken. So we're about to eat this so we could go get a drink from the bar.
Money on my juggler, natural hustler, and I need a smuggler up in Russia. It could be the butler, shine my cutler. Shout out to Oyenda, that's the guzzler. Okay, next thing, my life is a wet dream. I call it a sex scene. The bag is a nice tease. I tried to escape. My life is an X-ray. I'm sorry, a sex tape. You only get one take. Quiet on the set, please. Everyone. Okay, rolling. Anxiety.
Yeah, right now I'm at the bar. I got me a banana mama. It's really good, actually.
Hola.
Hola.
¿Cómo está?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. You very good. Are you serving the lady?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Drink is really good. They gave it to me when I first came, and I've been drinking it ever since.
Ciao.
Oh, look at the kitty cat. Hi. Hi, you're so small. And you're wet. Look at the kitty cat, y'all. Hey. Oh, beautiful. We're about to get on the horsies. So cute. The horsies is up here. They're so big. I've never been close to a horse before. They're so huge.
Solo, no mojo, I bounce back, no pogo, unhappy, no homo, new brands, no logos, money on my juggler, natural hustler, think I need a smuggler up in Russia, it could be the butler, shine my cutler, shout out to Oyenda, that's the guzzler, okay next thing, my life is a wet dream, I call it a sex scene, the bag is a nice tease, I tried to escape, my life is an x-ray, I'm sorry, a sex tape, you only get one take, fight on the set please, everyone, okay roll it, anxiety, 3, 2, anxiety, people trying me. Feel it quietly, trying to silence me, yeah. Anxiety, get over me. Somebody's watching me. If I
This is my pool attire. I don't know if I'm really getting in the water for real. I wanted to take some pictures, but when I did it the first time, it didn't come out right, so I don't know. But it's really giving cute. It's the same shirt from earlier, but just with the bikini because I don't have any shorts. So we're gonna go with this. I am gonna go get me a drink because I did order room service. So let's get out of here and enjoy the rest of the day, even though this trip is is mixy. Hi friend, can I sit with you? It's a YouTube video. You gonna say hi? Yeah, she's exhausted. She's thirsty, tired. And we just sitting at the beach. It's a pool day today. This is actually cute. I'm actually gonna keep this on because I like this. It's very tea.